Hey, you there? Let me ask you a question. What is your dream? What is your ultimate goal? What is your ultimate aim? What is your desired life? What is your ultimate desired life? What would you like to achieve in this life? Who would you like to be in this life? Are you far from it? Are you close to it? What would you need to do to become that person? How does that person think? How does that person feel? How does that person act? What is his surrounding? Where does he live? In which country does he live? How does he live? Does he live in a house? Does he live in a mansion? Does he live on the beach? How does this person live? Who is this person surrounded by? What type of people is this person surrounded by? How happy is this person? How satisfied is this person with life, with himself? How driven is this person? How inspired, how energetic, how motivated, how connected to higher purpose is this person? Who are the people around this person? Who are his closest friends? Family, if he has any? Children, if he has any? How sought after is he from all sides? Professionally and personally. How adventurous is he? How unforgettable is he? How touching is he to the people around him? How inspiring is he to the people around him? See it. Feel it. How does he live? What is his day to day? Is every day an unforgettable experience? Describe it, visualize it, imagine it. This person and his ultimate life. Feel it. Feel the aura of this person. Feel the sounds around this person. How is he contributing to his family, his friends, with his business, if he has one, to humanity, with his work and passion and mission? How is he changing the world for the better? Now become this person. Step into the shoes of this person. On the count of 5, become this person. Merge with this person, you are this person. Everything that you just visualized, you become it. On the count of 5, you become this person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are this person. You are your highest self. You're embodying your highest potential. Feel it. Experience it. Completely merge with it. And from now on, live as this person. This person makes everything effortless. This person is at his highest mental, emotional, spiritual, physical level at all times. This person fixes problems and challenges with the snap of his fingers. This person has influence beyond your imagination. This person is unlimited and ultimate. This person is connected to Source and is guided by the divine. The universe opens doors for him. Become him and never go back. This is your ultimate potential. The universe will open doors for this person. The universe responds to vibration. The universe responds to who you are. So by becoming this person, you are aligning with your highest self. And the universe will open doors for you and bring opportunities to you that it would have never otherwise. You are now this person. Godspeed to you. And whenever you forget, or you need a reminder, or you need to reconnect with this person again, come back to this audio and I'll help you reconnect with him again. See you soon.